Hi besties, it's work time. So it's 5 a.m. right now. Wala akong masyadong tulog kasi may diarrhea pa si Kaso. But anyway mga besties, I'm very excited to take our Unimate. Pasensya na sa kuko ko. Hindi pa natin na-polish. Anyways mga besties, excited tayo magtimpla ng tea kasi ako'y antok pa. So mga besties, anyways, meron akong sasabihin mga besties, marami nang nagkakalat na fake product about Unicity. So, be careful in buying your Unimate and Balance, your Unicity product, because you should not buy it in Amazon, Shopee, or Lazada. So those are fake besties. So you should buy it on a legitimate distributor, and so you can have the original and not the fake one. So ayan besties, I'm very excited to take it, to start my day, work day. Wala pa masyadong tulog, wala pang ligo, but you know besties, I already pray, and I pray to have strength for today. And thank you for also having this product. This product really changed my metabolic health. So cheers besties, I hope you have a great day. Buy on my link, not on Amazon or Lazada or Shopee, okay? Bye, thank you.